and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for an autumn look, so let's get started. And as usual I'm starting off with the eye primer. Then for eyeshadows we're going to use this palette by BH Cosmetics, which contains a lot of autumn shades, obviously. Because obviously I'm not going to use a spring themed palette for an autumn look, duh. Anyway, I'm starting off with a very soft orange shade and a fluffy brush, both to set the crease a little bit and also to make sure I have a nice blending color on there already. And now I'm moving on to a deep orange shade. As you can tell, it's more of a pumpkin shade. With a smaller brush, more firm as well, and just stuffing it into literally the outer corner of the crease. We're really just going to do the classic, you know, thing of building up the color darker and darker further into the edge of the crease. And just keep blending. Oh, and also don't be scared to wipe down your brush between the blending. Because, you know, with the color it is intense. If you accidentally apply too much, you're gonna have it all the way up to your, well, not your brow bone, just all the way up to your hairline basically. And that's really not the vibe I'm going for this time. And then lastly onto the darkest shade with an even smaller blending brush. I'm really literally only blending this on the very outer edge of the eye, and I'm also trying to not blend it too far on the eyelid over the other red shade, just to make very sure that both colors still stay visible. Now, because I don't have a matte shade in this palette that's good as a brow bone highlight, I'm just using a separate little eyeshadow for that. And then back to Big Fluffy Blender and just blend some more. Well, I pulled you up a little bit closer because we're starting on the shimmer and glitter, and you need to see that in full focus up close. Seriously, I love glitter and shimmer. What else is new? But this one is just a lovely shade of orange with sort of gold flecks in it. It looks sunny for some reason. It looks like sunshine on an autumn day, and I absolutely adore it. And then on the outer corner I am applying it with my blending brush just to make sure to, you know, very surprisingly with the blending brush, have it be more blended. And then in the inner corner I'm applying a lighter shimmer shade as a highlight. And then it's time to add some eyeliner. And now I'm finishing up the bottom side of the eyes, starting off with a nude pencil. I've obviously already done my face base at this point and my eyebrows. Now on the bottom eyelid in the outer corner I've blended the these two shades, the red and the orange. Why did I want to call it pink? I don't know. Anyway, but I blended it on the small blending brush and I'm just pretty much smudging that on there. And also a little bit of the eyeliner just between the lashes. And then time for some false lashes. And with that we're almost done. I only got to do the lipstick and then it's all finished. And we're left with the final result. Also, by the way, these lashes are not stuck on properly. If I blink too hard they'll fall. Because apparently, whereas my liquid lipstick by Essence, which is years old and does transfer to my teeth, but then again it always did, is still working properly. My eyelash glue by Crayolan apparently stops being sticky after 2 months. It's absolutely dreadful. Anyway, but yeah, other than that I'm gonna go back to the eyelash glue by Duo. Basically, long story short, so frustrating because literally they just won't stick. Anyway, I like how this look turned out, properly glued on eyelashes or not. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did enjoy watching it, please click the like button. It would really help me out because it makes YouTube suggest my videos more often to new people. And if you want to see more, you can always subscribe to my channel. For now, as always, thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!